Hello friends, welcome to Mira's Little World. This recipe is Indian Style Shrimp Tempura. So let's get started. First we have to make the shrimp straight. So for this, what we are going to do is that we'll just give small cuts on the lines. We are cutting the shrimp straight so that it doesn't get curly in hot oil. Now you can see how the shrimps are straight. For this recipe, we are going to take 500 grams of shrimps. See how straight it is. We are keeping the tails of the shrimps so that we can do easily deep fry. It is optional. You can keep the tails or you can remove it. Now for the marination, we'll add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 teaspoon of soya sauce, we'll squeeze fresh lemon juice around 1 tablespoon. Now we'll add 1.5 teaspoon of salt, or you can add salt according to your taste, and we'll mix it all together. If you're first time in our channel, please do subscribe. And we'll wrap it up. It should be well sealed, and we'll keep it to marinate for 1 hour. Meanwhile, we'll do the batter. For that, we'll take 200 grams of all-purpose flour, add 1 tablespoon of corn flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and then we'll just mix it up. So that it doesn't get separated. Now we'll add the water. We want this to be a slurry kind of batter. Now to the batter, we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, you can see how slurry consistency it is, and we'll deep fry. Our Indian style shrimp tempura is now ready. Serve it with sweet chili sauce or your any favorite kind of dip sauce. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications on that.